News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Renu Kataria giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in Radiation Medicine Research Centre, Kolkata and Bhabha Atomic Research Centre, Mumbai, Indira Gandhi Rashtriya Manav Sangrahalaya, Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited, Krishi Vigyan Kendra Sujani Deoghar, Delhi Police Housing Corporation Limited and Central Water and Power Research Station, Pune. Bhabha Atomic Research Centre, Government of India invites online applications from eligible candidates for appointment to the following post in Radiation Medicine Research Centre, Kolkata and Bhabha Atomic Research Centre, Mumbai. The vacancies on direct recruitment are: 1 post of Medical or Scientific Officer E, Nuclear Medicine, 2 post of Medical or Scientific Officer D, Nuclear Medicine, 1 post of Technical Officer D, Nuclear Medicine Technologist, 19 post of Nurse A, 6 post of Sub-Officer B, 7 post of Scientific Assistant C, Nuclear Medicine Technologist, 2 post of Scientific Assistant B, Pathology, 2 post of Scientific Assistant B, Nuclear Medicine Technologist, 1 post of Scientific Assistant B, Radiography, 1 post of Pharmacist B, and 11 post of Driver cum Pump Operator cum Fireman A. Vacancies available for stipendiary trainee are: 1 post of stipendiary trainee Category 1 Computer Operation, 1 post of stipendiary trainee Category 1 Health Physicist, 5 post of stipendiary trainee Category 2 Laboratory Technician, 3 post of stipendiary trainee Category 2 Dental Technician Hygienist. For detailed advertisement, please visit the website www.barc.gov.in or recruit.barc.gov.in. The facility of online application will close on 15th February 2021. Indira Gandhi Rashtriya Manav Sangrahalaya, an autonomous organization of Government of India, Ministry of Culture, Bhopal, is inviting applications for the following posts: 1 post of Accounts Officer, 1 post of Senior Stenographer, 1 post of Museum Associate, 1 post of Horticulture Assistant, 1 post of Stenographer, 3 post of Junior Clerk, 3 post of Driver, 1 post of Junior Engineer Civil, 1 post of Electrical Supervisor, 1 post of Electrician and 1 post of Safai Karamchari. Pro forma terms and conditions and other details are available on Museum's website www.igrms.gov.in. Those applicants who have already applied against the advertisement published in Employment News and Rozgar Samachar on 23rd February to 1st March 2019 for the following post need not apply again: Accounts Officer, Senior Stenographer, Museum Associate, Horticulture Assistant, Stenographer, Junior Clerk and Driver. Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited, a premier public sector enterprise under Department of Atomic Energy, Government of India, having comprehensive capability in all facets of nuclear technology, which is site selection, design, construction, commissioning, operation, maintenance, renovation, modernization and upgradation, plant life extension, waste management and decommissioning of nuclear reactors in India under one roof, invites applications for the following post at Tarapur, Maharashtra site to share the challenging spectrum of responsibilities: 2 post of Scientific Assistant C, Safety Supervisor, 1 post of Leading Fireman A, 2 post of Driver cum Pump Operator cum Fireman A, 2 post of Scientific Assistant C, Safety Supervisor, 20 post of Assistant Grade 1 HR, 12 post of Assistant Grade 1 F&A, 6 post of Assistant Grade 1 C and MM, and 14 post of Stenographer Grade 1. Please visit the website www.npcilcareers.co.in For detailed information, age relaxation, eligibility criteria, how to apply, general conditions, etc. Eligible candidates have to apply online on the website www.npcilcareers.co.in. Online registration will commence from 29th January 2021 at 10:00 hours and will close on 23rd February 2021 at 1600 hours. All further announcements and details pertaining to the process will only be published and provided on NPCIL website www.npcil.nic.in. Applications are invited from eligible and interested candidates fulfilling all the qualifications for filling up the following post of Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Sujani, Deoghar. One post of Senior Scientist cum Head, KVK. One post of Subject Matter Specialist, T6 Horticulture. And one post of Program Assistant, T4 Computer. For detailed terms and conditions, desirable qualification and application form, etc., please visit the website deoghar.kvk4.in. It is proposed to fill up the post of following engineering officers in Delhi Police Housing Corporation Limited, 9th floor, MSO Building, IP Estate, New Delhi, on deputation basis initially for a period of 3 years and extendable up to 5 years maximum by engineering officers working in various ministries and departments of central government and the state government, example, CPWD, MCD, PWD, DDA, DSIDC, NDMC, DMRC, Delhi Jal Board, CAPFs or government PSUs, etc. One post of Superintending Engineer, one post of Executive Engineer, one post of Assistant Executive Engineer Civil, and one post of Assistant Executive Engineer Electrical. The application of eligible and willing officers may be sent in the given proforma so as to reach the concerned person within 30 days from the date of publication of the advertisement in daily newspapers. Central Water and Power Research Station, Pune is a premier organization under Ministry of Jal Shakti, Department of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Rejuvenation. The vision of the organization is optimal, sustainable development, maintenance of quality and efficient use of water resources to match with the growing demands on this precious natural resource of the country. One post of Director, Central Water and Power Research Station, Pune is required to be filled by deputation, including short-term contract from amongst officers under the central or state governments or union territories or public sector undertakings or universities or recognized research institutions or semi-government or autonomous or statutory organizations. Interested and eligible officers may send their applications in the prescribed proforma to the concerned person through proper channel within 45 days from the date of issue of this advertisement. The closing date for receipt of application from candidates from Assam, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland, Tripura, Sikkim, Ladakh, Lahaul and Spiti district and Pangi subdivision of Chamba district of Himachal Pradesh, Andaman and Nicobar Island or Lakshadweep or abroad will be 52 days from the date of publication of advertisement. The advertisement is also available in the website www.mowr.gov.in. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for information in English, Rozgar Samachar for information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsttalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.